save our planet. Scientists reaffirm that global warming is real. The recently published State of the Climate, with independent contributions from more than 300 researchers from 48 countries, has concluded that the evidence pointing to human-caused climate change is unmistakable, with planetary warming that is due to greenhouse gases. Published by the US National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, the report evaluated 10 key indicators of a changing climate system and found that the last decade was the warmest on record, with resulting melt of glaciers, sea ice and snow cover.
Meanwhile, sea levels, ocean heat content, and temperatures of the ocean surface, air, and land are all increasing. In particular, NOAA Climate Monitoring Branch Chief and Report Co-Editor Derek Arndt conveyed alarm that the ocean has absorbed 93.4% of all the generated heat energy, even at depths of 6,000 feet below the surface, pointing out that the heat will stay in the water for a long time and influence system-wide changes. Highlighting the unanimous conclusions of the studies involved, NOAA Administrator Dr. Lubchenco stated, "The records come from many institutions worldwide. These independently produced lines of evidence all point to the same conclusion. Our planet is warming."
The bottom line of the report, first and foremost, human-induced climate change is a reality. Not only in remote polar regions and in small tropical islands, but every place in our own backyards. Climate change is happening. It's happening now. It's not just a problem for the future. We're beginning to see the impacts in our daily lives. Humans are responsible for the changes that we are seeing, and our actions now will determine the extent of future change and the severity of the impacts.
Furthermore, report co-editor Arndt noted the temperature of 1 degree Fahrenheit or 0.6 degrees Celsius over the past 50 years may seem small, but it has already altered our planet.
We thank the hundreds of independent scientists and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration for your careful work verifying the unequivocal reality of ever-worsening climate change. May such information summon our urgent and proper response in swiftly finding the most harmonious ways to coexist with nature on our shared planetary home.
Supreme Master Qinghai has long cautioned about these evident signals of global warming while highlighting the best solution, as in the following November 2009 video conference in Mexico.
Some of the global warming effects that we hear about are a continued rise in the Earth's atmospheric temperature, warming of the ocean, along with acidification, more frequent and stronger storms, prolonged droughts, and intensified heat waves, soil desertification, plant and animal extinctions, and even melting of permafrost, which could trigger massive releases of more methane gas. And that would be catastrophic beyond an unthinkable scale. The rising intensity and frequency of storms comes from the warming of the ocean, which changes weather patterns. Climate change is not an abstract concept at all. It is here and now, affecting our neighbors, affecting us, and more and more. Researchers in the US concluded that eating a vegan diet for a year is more effective at cooling the planet than driving a hybrid vehicle for the same period of time. So the solution is very simple. We just have to turn away from the animal products. We stop eating meat, dairy, eggs, fish. If everyone does this, we will have a transformed world in no time.